being safe in the garden is important. And today I'm going to be doing a big yet small, nothing to major improvement in my garden space. Because as small as it is, you still have to be safe, and also you have to protect yourself and protect whatever you're growing. And I saw a snake. I was scared. And it's in my herb section, so I'm going to do a little revamping, and you can work along with me, watch me as I do this little upgrade, and tell me what you think at the end. But this has to be done because we live alongside other animals, whatever it is, and they are beneficial as well, not just us and not just the plants. But I'm just trying to make everything safer. I don't want to be bitten by a snake, but I want them to be able to traverse what they're doing, because they do eat small things, rats, that kind of thing. I don't see any, but they're up and about because the heat is on now. So I'm gonna make my little area safer, so come along with me.
flexing up, coffee strong, dressed to go. Traffic jam, but I won't stop. Got a dream, can't let go. Cubicle walls, clock ticks fast. Email ping, busy call. Filing papers, days won't last. On this grind, standing tall. Working all day. No sleep, just making my way. Working that pay. Gonna shine, gonna slay. Lunch break, quick bite to eat. Back again at my desk. Pushing hard, feel the heat. Sweat and tears make no mess. Knife on screen, still alight. Project stacks, got a new. Burning oil through the night. Chasing dreams, see it through. Working all day. No sleep, just making my way. Working that pay. Gonna shine, gonna stay. Gonna shine, gonna slay. Gonna shine, gonna slay. Gonna slay. Working all day. No sleep, just making my way. Working that day. Gonna shine, gonna slay. Gonna shine, gonna slay. Gonna shine, gonna slay. Gonna shine, gonna slay. Gonna slay. Work, bite to eat. Back again at my desk. Pushing hard, feel the heat. Sweat and tears make no mess. Night full screen, still alight. Project stacks, got a new. Burning oil through the night.